Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to all our friends. Today we're gonna talk about the different categories of English alphabet. And as you could see in the earlier video as well, I have categorized the alphabet in three categories: vowels, consonants, and semi-vowels. Today we're gonna talk about the justification of the third category of letters in terms of our English alphabet. Before I take you along the journey, I'll tell you one more fact about this alphabet is, this alphabet has its roots in two of the initial letters of Greek alphabet of alpha and beta. So this alpha and beta together combined makes alphabet in English. Now this alpha and beta, these are two Greek letters which give the origin of English alphabet.
So in this video, let's try to justify and give a clarification as to why these two letters W and Y pertain to a different kind of category that's called semi-vowel category or half-vowel category. Let's try to justify the nature of these two letters in terms of their placement in different words initially, medially, and finally. And when we talk of the placement of these two letters being placed initially, we have three examples of W, in terms of watch, wind, and water, and three for Y in terms of yacht, yak, and yesterday. Now in all the three cases, you could very well witness that the nature of the consonant sounds, that is V and Ya. So in this case, these two letters fall in the category of consonants. And when we talk of placing these letters medially and finally, you can see I have given two examples for W being placed medially in terms of shower and vowel, and then two for Y in terms of sympathy and mystery. And again, for the final placement, I've given three examples for each. W, you have nauf, crow, and calf. And for Y, you have sky, boy, and key. You can see in these cases, these two letters are actually being placed by the vowel sounds. And in shar, you have a triphthong, R in between. Again, in sympathy, you have a short vowel E at the place of Y. Again, in nauf, you have a diphthong auf kind of vowel at the final stage. Same is the cases with here in sky. You have I diphthong placed at the end, and we have oi diphthong in boy, and finally E diphthong in key. So these places where we actually place it, W and Y, they have been taken by the by the replacement of the vowel sounds, and that's why in all these examples we can say that these two letters reflect a kind of a nature that pertains to the vowels. Now here we have a vowel nature in all these letters. So whenever you have a kind of letter that has a dual kind of a nature, at one time it can act as a consonant, at the other time it acts as a vowel. You can clearly put them in a different category of letters, and that's why this mixed character makes a different category in a alphabet, and this mixed category is called a semi-vowel category. And I believe that this video was of some help to our learners as to why there's a need for a third category of letters to be placed in our alphabet. So thank you for watching. Hope you're going to catch up with our next video. Thank you.